Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 9 to 15, 2023. But before we begin, promote ko lang ang Libra bracelet. So this is for alignment of Libra energies. Meron itong rhodonite, blue apatite, at bloodstone. So ito ay available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Ayan. So, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your sun, moon, rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video about it na nagpapaliwanag. And then, just a reminder, no, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And of course, it's Libra season. So, happy birthday, happy solar return. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, and success. Ayan, let's see ano yung overall energy ninyo for this week. You have the Empress. So, this is your energy. Venus energy. Libra is ruled by Venus. So, I think you are going to be focusing on yourself, no? Self-love, self-care. This is also being more creative, giving birth to a new idea, a new opportunity. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring buntis, mabubuntis. Ayan. Literal. Let's see your challenge. The Six of Pentacles. So, maaaring iba sa inyo, nahihirapan kayong tumanggi sa mga taong humihingi ng tulong sa inyo. Especially financially or doon sa mga tao na nakaasa sa inyo. So, it's time to set boundaries. Okay? Lalo na kung hindi mo naman talaga obligasyon. But of course, if it is your obligation, your responsibility, then that's fine. Your opportunity. 10 of Wands. I think, no, some of you maaaring nagwo-worry kung kaya nyong magampanan yung mga responsibilities ninyo. But with the 10 of Wands here, it seems na kaya nyo naman. No? Meron kayong opportunity to work things out. Pwede nyong ma-manage to ng maayos. Kailangan lang talaga consistent kayo. Okay? What is the blessing? The Knight of Swords. As a blessing, there is a communication coming in. Maaari ring magiging mabilis yung pagkilos mo, pag-aasikaso mo sa mga bagay na dapat mong ayusin. Especially if this is dealings with papers, documentation. And let's clarify. What is the Empress? The Judgment card. Okay. So, this is reinventing yourself. O, yung iba sa inyo, Libra, aring may babaguhan kayo sa inyong physical appearance or mas magiging confident kayo ngayon na ipakita yung totoong kayo. More on taking care of yourself. You have the Five of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo rito, merong yung tipong gusto kayong lamangan. Oo, maaaring yun yung nagiging conflict with someone. Yung tipong siya na ngayon nang hihingi, siya pa yung nagde-demand. Oo. So, like what I mentioned kanina, kailangan you have to set boundaries, no? May hangganan. What is the 10 of Wands? 4 of Pentacles. Yes. Kayang-kaya mong i-handle, no? Itong, lalo na kung financial obligation to. Yung iba naman sa inyo sa trabaho, sa career ninyo, maraming kailangan gawin, asikasuhin. Nakakapagod, pero kaya mo siyang i-manage. Okay? You have the Devil as a blessing. Ooh! I think, meron kayong iiwanan na, toxic situation. This can also mean a toxic behavior ninyo, na magkakaroon kayo ng awareness na, ito, may pagka-toxic ako sa ganitong part. Aalisin ko na yon. And yung iba, this can be a toxic relationship. Meron ditong verbally abused by someone, no? Yung tipong masakit lagi magsalita sa'yo. So, I feel like you are freeing from that situation. Let's see what else. Money. Yung iba sa inyo, very talented sa fashion, sa styling, sa art, sa design. Very charming. Oh, okay. So, yung iba sa inyo nasa ano talaga? Pwedeng nasa entertainment industry kayo or nasa fashion and fashion industry wherein dun kayo mas nag-excel, dun kayo mas makikilala, dun kayo mas magiging successful. Meron kayong kailangan i-organize sa workstation ninyo. Pwedeng makalat yung workstation ninyo. You have the Ace of Pentacles. May offer, may mga ito yung tipong maaring you are, di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo, meron kayong babaguhin, i-improve, i-enhance sa inyong sarili. So, it seems na mapapansin yan sa trabaho. You will be getting messages from someone na nag-a-admire sa'yo. And pwede rin tong mag-open up ng opportunity sa'yo sa career. Pwedeng kunin ka na model or mas maraming tumangkilik sa business mo. Or if you are a social media influencer, mas dadaming followers mo. So, this will bring you financial stability. Pagdating naman sa love, financial, yun na nga, pwedeng may mga issues kayo sa finances with your loved ones. Expectations. Okay. Pagdating sa love, ang importante sa inyo, that the person that you're dealing with ay alam kung ano yung ina-expect mo sa kanila. And same with kung ano yung gusto mo ring malaman kung ano yung ina-expect nila sa'yo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, nasa early stages ng relationship, you are parang you want to be fair pagdating sa relationship. Ayaw mong maging issue ang pera. Oo. Ito yung tipong pag masyado ka mabait, no? Lalamangan ka talaga, no? So, you have to be sensitive and be careful sa mga taong gustong manlamang. I think you just need to be, kasi minsan parang nahihiya kayo na mag-open up na, dapat hati tayo sa bayaran. Oo. Merong nagte-take advantage dito. So, kailangan, ikaw mismo, meron kang lakas ng loob na harapin yun. No? I-deal yun para maayos. Kumbaga, you are setting proper expectations. Optimism. If you're going to make up stories in your head about people and circumstances, please make them love stories with happy endings. Okay. Itong pagiging optimistic, depende kasi rin to, no? Sa sitwasyon mo. If you feel like you are ready for something, you are ready for a career, a business, a relationship, and ginagawa mo yung part mo, you are taking action, then being optimistic will bring you success, will bring you results, okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.